I had made a wandering Jew propagation reel recently, and today is the update time. Tan tada! Just don't skip this, but watch full video till the end to know the exact result. I didn't expect this huge good result so fast. Hello everyone. So we had propagated the wandering Jew recently, and you see how nicely the roots have come up. So today we are going to check it. Oh my god, just look at this, how beautifully the roots have come up. Yeah, we'll just look at this. The new leaves have also come up, the new stems. Wow, just look at these nice roots. Just see how nicely it has come up. And the big ones with so many roots, multiple roots rather, I should say. Yeah, some more here. Just see the new leaves and stems, and the roots have become so bushy, so bushy. Some more here. These are not that bushy, but still the new plants have come up. Some more. Wow, just look at this, so pretty, so nice. New leaf has come up. Wow. So all these I have propagated in the winter. I did nothing but just change the water every week and try to keep them in indirect sunlight wherever possible. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so many roots. And this is the last one. Wow. So what we will do, we will try to propagate again, or say transplant again. First I will do it in again water only with some stones. Yeah, let me just put some stones down, and then I will try to put some of these together. Yeah, try to put some stones here and there. Just put it here. One more here. Yeah. No, this is big. बस कर दो ना बेटा. Just put it like this, and then some water. Yeah, you can decorate it like this. Just see. And now we are going to do it in the soil. So just make a hole in the soil. Just and another one. Just put it inside. Yeah. And another one. Stick it inside. Yeah. After some time, these will become completely bushy, and then you can water it. And then keep them in indirect sunlight. Yeah. Just look at this. This is also looking pretty. मन कर देखना चाहिए दोनों में क्या है. बंद करो।